In 2025, the most successful tech companies will not be built by armies of employees, but by solo founders who have mastered the art of treating artificial intelligence as their primary co-founder. We are entering an era where the traditional barriers to building a massive enterprise are dissolving. The question is no longer whether one person can build a $100 million company, but how soon we will see the first solo billionaire. According to John Massad, the founder of Replicate, the intersection of code and creativity has reached a point where a single individual can generate $50 million in annual revenue within the next couple of years. The leverage in this new economy is no longer found in the size of your team or the depth of your capital, but in the clarity of your insight. When you have a sharp understanding of a specific niche, AI multiplies your ability to solve problems at a scale that once required hundreds of people. This shift is driven by a concept known as conceptual integrity. Mike Krieger, the co-founder of Instagram, notes that small teams of 1 or 2 people possess a unique focus and energy. In a large organization, every new hire adds a layer of communication overhead and a potential for the original vision to become diluted. When you grow a team, you spend more time getting everyone on board with a shift in direction than you do actually moving the company forward. Today, a solo founder can maintain the entire architecture of a business in their own head while using AI to execute the labor. This allows for a level of speed and consistency that massive corporations simply cannot match. The mental overload of switching between creative and strategic roles is being mitigated by virtual co-founders that do not just replace creativity, but amplify it. Modern AI tools allow you to move beyond simple text prompts into visual and structural thinking. You can now upload video references, transcripts, and competitor data to see connections between ideas that were previously hidden. Instead of spending 6 hours editing a video or drafting a newsletter, you can ask an AI agent to find the best quotes for social media or turn an interview into a cohesive document in minutes. This frees the founder to focus on what actually moves the needle and generates the highest return on investment. However, before you start prompting, you need what Daniel Priestley calls founder opportunity fit. This is the overlap between what the world needs and what you naturally love to do. The best startup ideas are rarely brand new concepts. They are usually solutions to problems you have already solved successfully for someone else. By reflecting on the moments where you delivered a remarkable result for a specific type of person, you can identify a process that is ready to be scaled through automation. Once you identify what to build, the challenge shifts to execution. In this new era, coding is becoming a form of creative writing. The founders who win will be those who can precisely describe exactly what they want. Prompt engineering is not just about finding the right words, but about acting as a software development manager. You are managing a powerful but easily distractible intern. If you encounter a bug or a service error, you must be able to communicate the context of that error to the AI agent with technical precision. This requires a mindset shift where you stop viewing AI as a simple assistant and start viewing it as a collaborator. Mike Krieger now uses advanced models at Anthropic to challenge his own thinking. He uses voice modes to brainstorm for 20 minutes and then asks the AI to organize those thoughts into a cohesive strategy. This symbiosis allows the AI to propose critiques and iterate on ideas before they are ever shown to another human. The goal is to set up a set of specialists rather than one big tool. You can have a project dedicated to product management, another for legal contracts, and another for customer psychology. The founder acts as the conductor of an orchestra. While the conductor does not play every instrument, they know exactly what sound they are trying to achieve and how to bring the different elements together for the audience. This compounding process is fueled by what Arvind Srinivas, the founder of Perplexity, calls the 1% rule. If you improve your product by just 1% every single day, you will be 37 times better by the end of the year. This exponential growth is only possible if you are obsessed with the problem you are solving. In a world where competition is fierce and capital expenditure is high, obsession is the only moat that protects your business from being copied. The final piece of the puzzle is discovery. In 2025, you are no longer just marketing to people, but also to the algorithms that recommend products to people. Ravi from Google explains that AI models now issue their own searches to find the most helpful and clear information available. This means the new search engine optimization is based on trust signals and high-quality public mentions. If your business is mentioned in top-tier articles and quality sources, the AI will recognize you as the best match when a user asks for a recommendation. We are also moving toward a reality of offline agents. AI can now make phone calls on your behalf to negotiate with local businesses or book services. Imagine an agent that calls a pet groomer, asks about their availability, and puts the order in without you ever picking up the phone. This is not a distant demo, but a current reality. As these voice agents become more integrated, they will handle the entire life cycle of a user journey, from inbound sales to customer support. They will help users navigate product experiences and self-disqualify those who are not a good fit, which accelerates the sales pipeline. For creators and entrepreneurs, this transition can feel overwhelming, but the key is to approach it with curiosity rather than fear. AI tools will soon be available for every imaginable task, but they cannot replace human taste. Tastemakers will be the ones who use these tools to create products that truly resonate with people. While AI provides the engine, it is your unique human taste and obsession that will ultimately determine the direction of the journey. Thanks for watching.